Okay, guys, so I want to show you how to use ScreenCast to record your video screen for your final. So what you've got to do, we're going to go to our Blackboard and we're going to go to where it says, weekly calendar and learning series over here. Click on that. Go all the way down to series 5. There's a link to ScreenCast, which is it's free software that allows you to record your screen. It lets you record for about 15 minutes at a time. If you go over 15 minutes, then just start a new recording. But be aware that after 15 minutes, it will stop recording and you'll have to start over again. So make sure that you plan your presentation. If you realize, oh, I'm going to go to like 12 minutes and maybe make 2 videos that you'll submit. You can submit as many videos as you need to submit. Some students will submit a video for question number 1 and a video for question number 2 separately, and you can do that as well. To access ScreenCast, we're going to go down to where it says submit here, final exam, and there's a link to ScreenCast here. Oh no, sorry, my bad. Actually, it's under part 2 over here. So if we go to our Blackboard series 5, you want to go to W and Thursday final exam part 2. That's where the link will be. And so I do apologize for the mistake right now. So all you need to do to get to the software from ScreenCast is to go to the website. You can watch this tutorial that's over here. It's done by someone, a different person, not me. It's a more professional style tutorial, but otherwise this is the one I'll be showing you in class. We're going to click on where it says screencast-o-matic.com/home. and it'll take us there. And this is the website you'll see. If you click on record for free, which is all you need, it'll start to download. I've already downloaded mine. And since I've already downloaded, when I go to the website and click record for free, it'll actually pop up. Let's pretend like you clicked on it and it downloaded. And maybe you have to go back to the website one more time just to make sure that it's all there. Click on record for free. And it's going to pop up your screen recorder. When it says launch free recorder, we're going to do that. And it will pop up. And so you'll see on my screen the option to record. Hopefully it's showcasing it. It looks like it might be on top of my screen. Let's see if I can move this. I hope that you guys can see this. We're going to find out. And so what it's going to do, it's going to pop up on somewhere on your computer screen. You're going to see that it's going to pop up a little area. You can determine how much of the screen you're going to record. You can move it around, and you'll see a tiny little, like a new menu bar show up on the left-hand side screen, most likely. And it'll have a big red button that says record, and then it'll have a little settings button and a little pencil and a cancel. The settings lets you determine like what you're going to be recording, just the screen, the webcam, and the screen. It'll let you know that your mic is working. So as you're talking, your mic should be the little mic section, which is should be going back and forth in green. If you don't see that happening, your mic isn't working, it's not on, and you want to make sure it is on. You can also record your computer audio if you'd like. That lets you play videos, and the audio of the video will be recorded in the video as well, which is kind of nice for those of you talking about like some of the videos that we watched in class that might be meaningful to you. When you're ready, you simply hit record, and it will start to record your screen. You'll see a countdown, 1, 2, 3, and then it records. And you can continue recording for as long as you need to, as you move things around, that kind of stuff. It'll record whatever you have on your screen at that time. You can pause it and then come back to it later. Let's say you have to go to the bathroom, or your doggy's barking, or your kids are crying. You can pause it and then come back and resume. The way you resume is by clicking on record, and it picks up where you left off. So it'll give you another countdown, and then it will continue. When you're done recording, right? So you're presenting your exam, you're answering question 1, answering question 2 on the computer screen. You're showing me your map, you're walking me through your map, you're showing me all of the documents, the feedback sessions, the drafts, whatever you need to show me that you want to discuss about how it impacted your learning. That's what you want to show me. Make sure that you do not put on screen your outline. Some of the biggest mistakes students make, and the reason that they fail, is because they just have their outline on the computer screen and they're just reading it out to me, but they're not showing me any of their work. This is an F. for me. Like I don't want to see this on the presentation. So make sure that you're not doing that. And what you should have on the screen is actually your work. Show me the feedback sessions. So show me your map, show me your drafts of your essay, show me the changes. That's what needs to be on there, not the outline. You can print out the outline, have it with you as your script as you're talking, but do not put it on the screen. When you're done recording, you're going to go ahead and hit the pause button on ScreenCast-O-Matic. There'll be a couple other options there as well, including the option to be done. You need to click on the done option so it'll give you other options to save. When I hit done, it'll give me some options. A little pop-up window will say save and upload, quick share, or edit video. You just want to go to save/upload. And what it's going to do, it's going to pop up a little window. It'll show you your video. And you can preview it. If you're happy with it, go ahead and hit save as video file. Don't click upload to ScreenCast-O-Matic. That will upload to the website and it might be hard to get and it can also mess up. You want to save it to your computer or your thumb drive or your hard drive. So save as video file. You can determine where you want to save it. For example, I might want to change the folder that I'm saving it to. So I might go to folder and then hit browse and say, you know what, I want to save it in my documents folder this time. And yeah, so I'll save it under my documents folder. Click OK, and then hit publish, and it's going to go ahead and convert that video. It might take a little while. I'll just, when I'm showing you guys this, I'll just fast forward over that section. Okay, it's coming to the end of the conversion. So once it's finished, we're going to click OK. And we can close this down. We can go looking for the video. So it's going to be under documents. Like come here, and sure enough, I'm going to find my video. Is that it? Was it the recording one? I'll sort by most recent. So yeah, so here it is, recording 109. If I click on it, it'll start to play. 1, 2, 3, and then it records. And you can continue recording for as long as you need to, as you move things around, that kind of stuff. So that's the video. Awesome. I have my video. You know, I want to make sure that I do watch, and if it's you guys, make sure you watch your whole video. Mistake students make sometimes, they don't preview their video before submission. And sometimes they like what they don't realize is halfway through the video, it actually aired out or cut off or something messed up. And so I don't have the complete answer. And so if your video presentation is messed up halfway through, then whatever I don't get, I can't grade. So if you only get question 1 out and the video cuts off before question 2, there goes question 2. It will be a 50. You don't want that. So make sure that you are checking your stuff before submission. Once you have the video recording done, you've checked it, everything's good, it checks out. Now we got to upload it, submit it, upload it, and submit it. So one of the places I want you to try and upload it to would be YouTube. Why YouTube and not just directly to Blackboard? Because Blackboard messes up, especially when you're uploading large files like this. So instead, I'd prefer it if you would go to YouTube. And I know what you're saying, you're like, Miss, but everyone will see my video on YouTube. 1, no, they won't. You're not that popular. But 2, fine, fair enough. If you don't want your video to be publicly available, then you can submit it unlisted, and that allows you to upload it, but no one else will see it other than the people that you give the link to. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So we're going to make sure we're on YouTube. You can create a brand new YouTube account that has nothing to do with you, or you can just use your own YouTube account if you want. Click on your little profile icon on the left and go to your channel. I'm sorry, on the right. Then we're going to go to manage videos. Hopefully it will go. Okay, let me try one more time. Manage videos. There it is. And then what we're going to do is on the top right corner, you're going to see that there's a button that says create. And click on that, upload videos. And we're going to go ahead and select the video file that we saved to our computer. I put it under my documents. Let me go find that video. Oh, there it is, recording 109. And it's going to go ahead and upload. So title it, final exam English 1301. Go down here. Who's the audience? No, it's not made for kids, especially if you're going to cuss. Go to next. Click next again. This doesn't matter. Click next again. And it's under visibility, the last option. This is where you're going to set it as unlisted, either unlisted or public. Do not make it private. If you make it private and I can't access it, then I'm just going to give it a 0. We don't have time for me to go to contact and be like, chase you down and say, hey, give me that link. I have a day to grade and submit the grades. So make sure that you do it either unlisted or public. If you do it public, it makes it super easy for me to access. Unlisted, you have to make sure you're giving me the right link. So you click unlisted if you don't want it to show up in front of others, or if you don't care, then public. What you're going to do, make sure you get that link down. So you see the video link, make sure you copy it. That's what you're going to submit as your video presentation link. And then you're going to hit save. When you're done, you'll notice you get the option to get the link again. Make sure you copy that link, just as a good habit before you close it down. And then you're going to come back to our Blackboard. And if you're ready to submit your final, that link is what you're going to submit as your video presentation. So under where it says F, submit here final exam. So you got to submit 3 things: your revised essay, your outline fully answered, and a video presentation link. So you're gonna go to write submission, and the video you upload to YouTube, that's your video presentation. Give me the link, boom. And then you'll attach under browse local files, attach files. You're gonna attach your essay, your revised essay, and you're also gonna attach the outline that you completed. So remember, I gave you an outline where you can answer your questions. That's what you want to submit as well. So the outline template for the final. And that's it. So a link to your video presentation. You want to attach your essay, and you want to attach your outline. Here it just says structure. I'm just pretending like that's my essay, and then hit submit. And then that's it. Then you're done with your final. Yay!